that yes, we had announced a public holiday tomorrow, but the public holiday will be on Wednesday.
After months of legal and logistical battles, the National Unity Platform, that is NUP, has finally received official verification from the Electoral Commission. National Unity Platform Secretary General David Lewis Rubongoya confirmed that the party has been issued a nomination clearance certificate after successfully submitting the required endorsement signatures from all regions of Uganda. Rubongoya, speaking to journalists, said the verification marks a major milestone for the party ahead of the 2026 general elections. This certificate confirms that NUP has met every requirement set by the Electoral Commission, and we are now cleared to proceed with our presidential nomination, he stated. He also announced a shift in the nomination schedule for NUP's presidential candidate, Robert Chagulanyi Sentamu, known as Bobi, from Tuesday, September 23rd to Wednesday at 2 p.m. We are ready. We have worked tirelessly and faced enormous obstacles, but our supporters stood firm. This clearance is not only a victory for NUP, but for democracy, Rubongoya added. The announcement ends weeks of speculation about whether NUP would secure enough endorsement with signatures to qualify, and sets the step for a dramatic nomination event midweek in Kampala.
First of all, I'm happy to announce to the supporters of NUP that here is our certificate showing that our presidential candidate, Robert Chagulanyi Sentamu, has all the signatures. Not that he did not have them before, but because these partisan people feared, they did not want our presidential candidate to be nominated on the same day as General Museveni. That is why they have given us this one right now. So that is the good news, that we have what we are entitled to, because we definitely had the signatures. But now, the news which is not very good, but also we shall surmount it, is that we have just gotten a letter from Mr. Simon Byabakama, the chairman of the Electoral Commission, informing us that our presidential candidate will be nominated on 24th. That is Wednesday, not in the morning, but at 2 p.m. You all know that we had planned to address two rallies on that day. The first rally was meant to begin at 12 noon and another at 4:30. So we clearly view this as part of the ongoing persecution born out of fear. Because we wrote to the Electoral Commission clearly requesting them to nominate our candidate tomorrow, which is 23rd, at 10 a.m. And these people have decided to push us to the following date, Wednesday at 2 p.m. However, what I can assure you is that that does not stop us in any way. We shall go on with our plans. We are announcing to the nation that yes, we had announced a public.
Well, in an interview, Bobi confirmed that he will use Idi Amin's style when he was asked that you are in a game, as you say, that the referee is not neutral. And how would you handle this? He said, Idi Amin said, if your opponent is not fair, then you win by knockout. And he smiled at the end. Check it out.
Then, Honorable, why are you getting involved in a match where you don't trust the referee?
Man, Idi Amin told us that if you don't trust the referee, hit your opponent with a knockout.
And that's what you're coming with.
That is what we are coming with.